In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Google Ads. Linking these two tools helps you see how people behave on your site after clicking your ads, build better audiences, and make smarter bidding decisions using richer data. We'll keep it simple and walk through the process inside Google Ads. First, open your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google login that also has access to the Google Analytics property you want to link. Having admin, or at least the necessary permissions in both products, will make the connection seamless. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you're in the correct ads account before moving on. Next, look at the top menu and click the Tools and Settings icon, which looks like a wrench. From there, go to Data Manager. Depending on your interface, Data Manager lives under the Setup section. This is the hub where Google Ads connects to other Google products. Inside Data Manager, locate Google Analytics. You'll see a list of product options, and Google Analytics will be one of them. If you manage a lot of properties, use the search field or scroll carefully. If Google Analytics isn't visible, it usually means your current user role doesn't have the right level of access, or you're in the wrong ads account. Switch accounts or confirm permissions if needed. Click Google Analytics and then follow the prompts on your screen to successfully connect it. The prompts will guide you to choose the Analytics account and the specific property you want to link, confirm permissions, and finalize the connection. During this flow, you may be asked to allow data sharing between the products, enable site metrics in your ads reports, or link audiences for remarketing. You can typically toggle these options on or off, and you can revise them later if your needs change. If a selection is grayed out, that's usually a permissions issue, so make sure you have the appropriate access in both Google Ads and Google Analytics. When you complete the prompts, you'll see a confirmation that the link is active. Reporting enhancements can take a little time to populate, so don't worry if you don't see new metrics immediately. Keep your browser updated, allow pop-ups if a window asks for confirmation, and refresh the page if something doesn't load as expected. That's it. Open your Google Ads account, click Tools and Data Manager, find Google Analytics, click it, and follow the prompts to connect. Once linked, you'll be ready to leverage analytics insights directly in your Google Ads campaigns.